It's 5:30 in the afternoon in the center of Boston, and I am stuck in more traffic than Stormy Daniels. You know, some cities aren't that bad to live in. I mean, given that you can afford them and you can put up with traffic. As long as you learn to move with the rhythm, get used to the flow, and just be in the moment that is a large city. There is a lot of culture, there's a lot of life, there's a lot of trying new things. Cities like Manhattan and Boston are a perfect area where you can just kind of run around at pretty much any time of the night in certain areas. You'll be perfectly safe. You really won't have too many issues. People generally move out of cities because it just becomes either too expensive or it just becomes exhausting after a while because the pace is enough to drag anybody down. I recommend to anyone who has any bit of youth left in them that they should experience or live in a city for a short period of time, 1, 2, 3 years. Truly get an idea of what it's like to have to keep up with the pace, move on a dime, think on a dime. I think you're a lot better off if you do something like that. Well, right now I'm just going to pick up Turcotte from Polkin Productions and his wife. They just got back from Marco Island. Then Friday night, however, I'm supposed to be coming back to see Bryan Callen down in Laugh Boston. Then on Saturday night, I'm supposed to be going seeing Joe Rogan with my buddy Zach and his girlfriend. So I'm going to be down here 3 consecutive nights in a row, hopefully, and I hope to take in everything in as much as possible and over-caffeinate myself to the point where my head explodes. My present to John and his wife. He said it tastes like crunch berries, so. They're in such war mode. It's like, I gotta go. It's like, dude, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it at all. I'm not gonna get mad at you. You're driving a taxi. You're in the middle of making money. I'm just picking some dolt up from the airport.
To stay on I-93 south.
Did you hear that? Keep left.
Heading to see Bryan Callen at the Laugh Boston Club.
You know what I mean? Like, I went through the list. Like Gandhi, Martin Luther King never told a fart joke, I guarantee. Nobody was laughing during his speeches. Maybe racists were, but that's it. That's the only people.
I got the gig. You got the gig.
I've actually never seen him before in concert, so we're totally looking forward to this.
Bryan Callen absolutely killed it tonight. Opening mics were pretty good, but
Callen was just so animated. I had an absolute blast. You killed it, bro. You killed it. Nice job. Great place too. If you guys ever are in the Boston area and you want to go see a comedy show at a nightclub, you can order food right from your app. Absolute blast. And one more time. Joe Rogan, TV star, comedian.
They had a Draw Muhammad contest in Garland, Texas. 2 dudes showed up, started shooting at the building. They were killed almost instantly. Why? Because they were at a Draw Muhammad contest in Texas. How obvious does a trap have to be before you start getting suspicious?
MMA commentator, and of course, podcaster.
I took a and then he ran over it with his car, and the whole backyard smelled like sewage waste. I go over there the next day. He goes, "It smells back here. Let's talk in the house." He goes, "I don't know what happened." And you can see the brown he smushed it with this tire, and a bunch of flies were around. He didn't talk to me for a month after that. Who takes a in somebody's backyard?
How did you find out it was you?
Because I told him the truth. I felt bad. What am I gonna lie to the guy?
On my way right now to pick up Zach and his girlfriend Jordan. I think he got it right this time. Status update, getting pulled over right now.
What is it about that makes you happy?